From the chaos to the sacred pause, there comes a point on the journey where you understand at a soul level, at a heart level, that there is something way bigger going on than just love and romance. There comes a point on the journey where you start to rise from where you were once broken, from where you were once in pure chaos, energy and frequency. And I want to really emphasize here, you will know that this is not how you normally act in relationships or when a relationship ends. And let's face it, you don't know if the relationship has even ended, because the way that it happened was weird. There was no actual ending. It was just divine masculine vanished in a puff of smoke. You see, on this journey, there comes a point when that chaos turns into a sacred pause, where the energy is now recalibrating. The frequency is recalibrating, because you, as the divine feminine, are now starting to pull your energy back. You are now starting to see your light. You are now starting to know that this journey was a remembering. This journey was an activation, and that this is way bigger than just love and romance. This now is a deep transformation, and that the old life you once knew is now no more, and never can be anymore, because you wouldn't even know how to get back to that old life. You see, this journey is a journey that is always moving forward, and there will be sacred pauses on the journey where you will question at the deepest level. But it is in those sacred pauses that the energy and frequency is shifting, is evolving, is changing. So if you're in a sacred pause right now, this is a time when you need to reset, where you need to come into that inner union frequency. And how do you do it? You do it by reclaiming all those parts of the Kundalini that activated within you. You hold your power, you hold your light, you hold your strength. You stare at the shadows. You stare at the shadows and you see the shadows, and you evolve from the shadows. Because this journey is a journey of deep transformation, and it is only when the divine feminine reclaims, remembers, works with those activation codes, and stares those shadows so deep within the face that those shadows that you have run from, those triggers that you have run from for your whole world and probably past lives too, now no longer hold anything over you. Your nervous system is powerful. Your nervous system is strong. It is vibrating, and those foundations are so powerful and strong that a tsunami could come in, and you hold your energy, you hold your frequency. You see, once you get to inner union, the journey completely starts to change. The endless searching stops, the pain stops, the aloneness stops, because you realize that that sacred pause was an energetic upgrade, not only for you, but for the divine masculine. Because you are now working in that tandem energy. And as you come into your inner union, it allows divine masculine, instead of orbiting here, they are now orbiting able to orbit and you're able to hold that frequency in a lot stronger, more balanced and Zen frequency. This journey is a journey of deep transformation. And if you are stuck in the looping endless searching, in the looping energy, in the endless searching, trying to figure out the journey, then this month, starting November, starting today, we are going 30 days into helping you every single day shift out of the pain, shift out of the endless looping, and come fully into inner union. Take those steps so you start to fully embrace that inner union. This journey, once you start to shift into inner union, that is when the journey changes. That is when the journey really starts to activate for the divine feminine. And the divine feminine, at that frequency, you become magnetic. If you're ready to change, my website is there. We have started today. Come along and join us. You get support every single day. You get to join me on lives, ask questions, get that support you need. We have a beautiful community. Plus, you get over 50 hours of coaching to help and support you, to get you to shift. All I will say, it's not pink fluffy stuff. It is deep work. You have to commit to this journey. It's not a journey that you can maybe do. It's not a journey you can half do. You have to dive all the way in. I hope this helps. I send you so much love, and I look forward to you joining us in our beautiful, sacred November shifting frequency. Come along and join. It is the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. From my heart to your heart, I send you much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day.